want them yellow canary diamonds all on my neck. This shit so flashy it blinds you when I step on the set. You took them weapons, remember you better grab your vest. Open your mouth and get chin checked without a question, damn. Whatever happened to having caddies on 24s? Stereo blasting, you could hear them coming down the road. With the plain Jane gold chains, bumping the Marvin Gaye. Sipping the Alizé, never worried about a thing. Soon enough, me and my niggas gon' be in private planes, rocking them fancy things. Ring so little but cost so much it's worth a fucking plane. But here I go catching myself sitting imagining. Damn. Didn't tell you was in the fucking Thunderdome. Run in your home and hit you with the solid custom chrome. Smoke back to back, so much hoping that my lungs don't explode. They say it's hot in the summer, but all I got was cold. Give me a second, grab the 4 Loko from the stove. Swerving and dodging potholes and I'm turning all the corners slow. I guess it's how it goes when you stuck here out alone. She said she loved me, but she left me out here all alone. Glitter on my neck and on my nails. Wanna be the captain, but you still gon' fail. They told me bring them to light, but instead I brought them hell. So watch me jump off the cliff and let my soul sail. Damn. LOSSKyD Nation Records. LOSSKyD. Yeah. Bitch.